Welcome to our channel. Dental and vision care are important but can be expensive without insurance. Follow these step-by-step instructions to find affordable coverage that meets your needs. Step 1. Check if your health insurance plan includes dental and vision benefits. Some marketplace plans and Medicare Advantage plans include these benefits at no extra cost. Step 2. Compare dental insurance plans by evaluating monthly premiums, annual maximums, deductibles, and waiting periods for major services like crowns or root canals. Step 3. Consider a dental discount plan instead of insurance. You pay an annual fee and receive discounts of 10 to 60% on services at participating dentists. Step 4. Look into vision insurance that covers eye exams, glasses, and contact lenses. Calculate whether the annual premium and copays cost less than paying out of pocket. Step 5. Check if your employer offers voluntary dental and vision benefits. Group plans through work are often less expensive than individual coverage. Step 6. Use a health savings account or flexible spending account to pay for dental and vision expenses with pre-tax dollars, effectively reducing your costs by your tax rate. Step 7. Compare standalone vision discount programs that offer reduced prices on exams, frames, and lenses at participating retailers for a low annual fee. Step 8. Visit dental schools and optometry schools that offer services performed by supervised students at significantly reduced rates. Quality is typically high and costs are much lower. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.